Shalom, everyone. I thought I would get online for a couple of minutes and show some photographs of earlier Semites from the lineage of Shem, which would be Elam. And here is a map showing Mesopotamia, which Elam resided there, right here. This is also the area where Abraham resided, which was in Ur, but his family migrated from Nubia. Lower or upper Egypt, I think it was. But anyway, Abraham lineage was Nile sub-Saharan. That's been proven archaeology, linguistic, even genetics, as far as DNA, R1b, I mean. So, but anyway, that's a whole nother story. But I just want to show this picture here. It says here that, make this little. It says, Elam as a son of Shem may well reflect the presence of early Semites in this area, and there are archaeological evidence in the time of Sargon I, 2350 BC, and his successors of their influence on the local culture. Rock sculptures depict typical Akkadians figure and bear Akkadians inscriptions, although carved for Elamite rulers. It goes on to say the mountainous region to the north and east was known as Ashan, and from an earlier period formed a part of Elam. Sumerians and Semite clansmen looked upon these ranges as the abode of evil spirits, and early epics describes the territory they held for those who crossed there in search of the mineral wealth. But anyway, so I'm going to go down at the bottom. This is the earliest depiction of the Elamites. And it says here that this lamb he has in his hand is for, let's see here, it says bottom left, which is going to be the Elamite that I just showed you. Elamite statue of a worshipper bearing a sacrificial offering, an ibex or a young goat, part of a funerary deposit near the temple of Inshashigna at Susa, and that's 1312 BC. So let's go back over here. This is clearly a Negro, Afro-Asiatic Negro. We all know that the early Elamites and the early Israelites were and still are melanated people. We did not lose our color. We did not. I don't care how many thousand years. It's just kind of crazy how everybody else can, everyone else can retain their color, but for some reason we can't retain ours. We got to be mixed in with everybody else. But it's actually the opposite. That just pisses me off. But that's just to wipe out a people's history. It says Elam, ancient name for the clans of Kazakhstan. Elam, the ancient name for the plain of Kazakhstan. Now here's an Assyrian, and here's he's taking a king of Elam, and it says Elamite. This is another Elamite, clearly Negro features, same as the brother I just showed you. It says Elamite statue. Not here. The defeated king. The defeated king of Elam, Amman-Nadash, being taken on an escort to Ashurbanipal, king of Assyria, 64 BC. So there's another Elamite. Go back up here. We're looking at Negro features, Afro-Asiatic. Look at the hair. That's woolly texture hair. You can tell just from looking at the braids. We know our hairstyle. We know our hair. Then also, I'm going to go back to the other And this is clearly a Negro with the Asiatic eyes. Afro, so call them Afro-Asiatic. So anyway, I just thought I would share that. No big deal. I say shalom and have a blessed day.